Hello, this video will introduce you to Google Colab and will help you get started with the pre-workshop notebooks. Starting on the main page of the workshop website, we should go to the Preparation Notebooks section that has links and supporting materials for each notebook. The links to the notebooks are listed third in each subsection. The links take us to Google Colab, a web-based environment to run the notebooks. A notebook itself is a collection of text and code cells. The text cells are written in Markdown and support formatting, and the code cells are written in Python and can be executed interactively. To run the code cells, we need to connect to a Python environment. To do so, we first need to sign in with a Google account here. I already have it set up in a different browser window, so let me switch to it. Once you're logged in, you can click the Connect button to start a Python session. All right. The first code cell prompts you to set up a profile with strings. Let me do that. To run the cell, you can click the play button on the left, or you can press the Shift-Enter combination on your keyboard. Now, let's take a look at the first two activities. Activity A1 asks us to prompt AI to generate a synthetic time series representing brain voltage signals. Convert the signals to movement trajectories and visualize the results. Let us do that using ChatGPT as an example. Here is a code cell to paste the generated code into. Now we executed the cell and it worked nicely. Be sure to take a pause and relate the results to the task. Similarly, activity A2 asks us to generate and visualize fMRI signals. Let us do that. Perfect. Once again, please take your time to interpret what you see. Finally, the reflection subsection asks us to log our observations and results. Note that this is a text cell, not a code cell. To edit a text cell, we double-click on it and compose our response using the left side field. Once we are done, we can press Close or press Shift-Enter. Other activities in these and other notebooks follow a similar structure, and at this point you should be prepared to approach them. Note that your edits are not saved automatically, and if you want to keep the edited notebook, press File, Download, download.ipynb. Good luck, and we hope to see you at the workshop.